Hey family, here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be creating this very soft emerald eye, perfect for spring, in partnership with a deck of Scarlet. I will be using their special edition Destination Desert palette to create this soft look. This is like an Easter look. Like, I feel like I'm about to go to church, praise Jesus, okay, and then go chill with my family at brunch. If you are not familiar with Deck of Scarlet is a beauty subscription service in which they partner with beauty YouTubers every 2 months on a full face palette. But now, starting this year, Deck of Scarlet has now become a monthly subscription service. So instead of it being every 2 months, it is now monthly. In addition to their full face kits, they will also be curating trend kits. So there is something to look forward to every single month. And I personally love Deck of Scarlet's full face palettes. Their shimmers though, their blushes, and their highlights have always been on point for me. So this is like their first, this is not a face palette. This is a palette. Sorry, she's a little dusty because, you know, I was all up in her. Stay in focus, camera. Focus on me, honey. Listen, let me tell you guys my struggle, okay? I wiped my eye makeup off 5 times filming this video. You know, I really wanted to go for something extra, something creative, but it was just not working out, okay? So we settled on this very soft green glam. I think she's very pretty. The lash, listen, the lash is doing something for this look, honey. Perfect for Easter, perfect for Sunday, perfect to praise Jesus. If you are interested in checking out Deck of Scarlet, I mean, girl, we have a 30% off link in the description box down below. So if it is your first time getting hip to Deck of Scarlet, you get your first month for 30% off. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this very soft emerald spring makeup look with the Deck of Scarlet Destination Desert palette, then subscribe to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. And when you tap that bell, an option will pop up. Click on options and ensure all notifications are enabled, including my creator posts. And stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, let's start off with swatches of the Destination Desert palette. Here's how the palette comes packaged. If you were to receive it in the mail, it comes with a dual-ended eyeshadow brush. Here is the sleeve of the palette, and here is the actual cover of the palette. Very beautiful, very luxurious, very high-end. This is the outlay of the palette, mattes on top, shimmers on bottom. First, we have the shade Sands, which is a bone color. Then we have Sunrise, which is an orange, Wildflower, which is a rosy pink, Nocturnal, which is a purple, and lastly, Canyon, which is a taupey brown. And those are the mattes in the first row. Then we have the shimmers in the second row. First, we have Sahara, which is a gold, Scorch, which is a copper, Nomad, which is a burgundy, Mirage, which is a beautiful holographic shade, and lastly Cactus, which is a beautiful emerald green. And these are the swatches of the palette. These also come with their matte velvet lip colors. The first shade we have is Brunch Babe. The second shade we have is Moody Mauve. And lastly, the third shade is Siren. Now, let's move on to the tutorial, shall we? We're going to be creating a very soft emerald eye. As I said off camera, listen, it just wasn't working out, so we settled on this. I'm gonna go ahead and take Sahara and apply that to my brow bone. It's a beautiful gold shade for the brow bone to uplift the brow bone and bring it forward and make it pop. Alright, now I'm going to go into the shades Sunrise and Wildflower. I'm going to mix both of those 2 shades together and I'm going to work that into the crease. First, I like to tap the shades into my crease or into my lid, onto my eye to get the best color payoff, and then I'll begin to diffuse the edges so they are very blent, very defocused, and very soft. Alright, now I'm going to mix both the shimmer shades Mirage and Cactus, and I'm actually going to apply this to my lid with my finger. I feel like shimmers just apply the best with your finger, okay? Because your finger a little warm, it's a little sweaty, okay? From working really hard on your look. So it just kind of melts like butter onto the lid. So I'm just going to work that in with my finger and then go back in with that dual-ended brush that came in this kit. And just diffuse the edges. And this is such a simple eye. These are the only shades that I use, and I just work to make sure everything is diffused and blent and soft. And then I just take those same shades and apply it to my lower lash line so the eye balances out. I go ahead and apply some mascara to my tops and bottom lashes, and then I also pop on a very flirty lash. Pick one of your choice. I feel like with soft glams, flirty lashes just bring the eyes to life and make them look more done up than they do. And lastly, to complete the look, I go ahead and apply this matte velvet lip color in the shade Brunch Babe. And this completes my soft emerald spring makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye.